Is it time to buy or sell Roblox stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Roblox. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of August, 2025, our system has identified Roblox as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.12. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, showing a gain of 0.18%. This equates to an average return of 0.09% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 47.77% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 47.77% and 85.37%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 121.61%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 49.71% to 165.91% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $177.39 and $315.07. Our latest daily update for Roblox includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Roblox stock after gaining 178/100%. The Roblox stock price increased by 178/100% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025. The price rose from $118.28 to $118.49. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.73%, with a low of $114.87 and a high of $120.31. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 7 instances, resulting in an overall decline of 11.67% for this period. Notably, trading volume rose on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with 6 million additional shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 13 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $1.54 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $150.56, while the lowest price was $37.50. Currently, the price stands at 21.3%, or $32.07, below the 52-week high of $150.56, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Roblox is experiencing a turbulent week. Lawsuits filed in mid-August from Louisiana claim the platform has not adequately protected children, leading to significant criticism regarding its safety measures. This situation resulted in an intraday stock decline of more than 10%, followed by a partial recovery. The company has publicly rejected these allegations, but subsequent legal developments include a notification to investors regarding a possible fraud investigation and associated claims. This situation raises the possibility of securities litigation and increased scrutiny. Currently, Roblox is trading with strong momentum for 2025 and presents a compelling growth narrative, which has led to a divided market where some investors are taking profits while others remain confident in long-term engagement metrics. In the short term, heightened volatility is expected, along with potential weakness in shares as investors factor in legal expenses, settlements, and reputational damage, as well as possible withdrawals from cautious investment funds. Over the long term, outcomes will depend on the effectiveness of remedial actions. Successful safety improvements, reduced compliance risks, and enhanced profit margins could help restore confidence and support higher valuations. Conversely, prolonged legal or regulatory penalties, increased operating costs, or a decline in user trust could compress valuations and hinder revenue growth. Analyst ratings. On Monday, August 18, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned RBLX a sell grade accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, July 28, 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned RBLX a buy grade along with a hold action. On Saturday, July 12, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned RBLX an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, July 7, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned RBLX a buy grade together with a hold action. On Sunday, June 22, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned RBLX a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Roblox stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Roblox. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is viewed as a positive technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals that could affect the short-term outlook. The stock of Roblox is currently showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which contributes to a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of 122.24 cents and 119.72 cents. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 14.01%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 25 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 85 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 75 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Roblox. Roblox finds support from accumulated volume at $117.34. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.44 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.73%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.99%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for Roblox, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profitability and raise bankruptcy concerns. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.440. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Roblox. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Roblox is at $124.50. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Roblox encounters its first support level at $117.34. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Roblox from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 14th of August, 2025, Bazuki David executed an insider sale of 150,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 7th of August, 2025, Bazooki David executed an insider sale of 1,143,191 shares of Class B common stock. On the 7th of August, 2025, Bazooki David also executed an insider purchase of 1,143,191 shares of Class A common stock. On the 7th of August, 2025, Lee Anthony P. executed an insider sale of 50,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 7th of August, 2025, Kaufman Matthew D. executed an insider sale of 6,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of approximately negative 19.993. In total, insiders purchased 4,435,680 shares and sold 6,706,865 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Roblox stock a good buy? The Roblox stock displays several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Roblox will experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of August, we expect Roblox to open lower by approximately 200s and begin trading at $117.89. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.